Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both accounts are active and you can log in. Once done, enable two-factor authentication on each to avoid lockouts. Now open Facebook, use the app or web, and navigate to Settings, then Account Center. You need this panel to link external accounts. Make sure you're on the correct Facebook profile. If prompted, re-enter your password. This verifies you. From here, you'll choose to add an account, which begins the handshake with Google. You'll select Add Accounts and pick Google from the list. This opens a permissions dialog. Sign into Google using the exact email you want linked, because you cannot change it later without unlinking. Carefully review each permission. Facebook requests, contacts, profile data, and email are common, and only grant what you accept. Once you tap Allow, Facebook completes an OAuth handshake and stores a token. Make sure sync settings are configured to control what data moves between accounts. Once the link completes, confirm the connection inside Account Center and set your sync preferences so you control names/photo updates. Next, test the link by choosing Google where Facebook sign-in is offered or using account recovery to verify. If something fails, re-authenticate both apps first. Log out and back in, clear the app cache, or remove and re-add the Google account. One key troubleshooting tip: revoke and re-grant permissions in your Google security settings if tokens appear expired or invalid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.